We added our percentage, our progress bar, so it increases for each time. But next thing I want to do is, instead of having the S and then A, so right now it says S first, and then the next word is A, and so on. I kind of want to sort this, so it goes from A to Z, right? And how we do this is we are going to create, after our methods, here it starts here and here, we're going to create the computed, here we go, computed. So we're going to use this down here to grab all our, what's it called, this one up here, our array, and then sort this with a JavaScript function called sort, or method, or property, or whatever you want to call it, and then reprint out all these letters in the correct order. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go down to computed, and we're going to create something called sort names. And this is going to be the one who's going to do this. This is also a function like before, so we create our function, we create the object here, and then in here we're just going to do this sorting thing. Now we're going to return something here, and what we want to return is the array that's being sorted. So we're grabbing this and the name of the array up here, attendant names, like this, and then we're just doing a sort, and that's kind of it. This is taking the information that is currently up here, so if there's 10 names, then it's grabbing those information and it's sorting them like this. When we're just using sort like this, it's just sorting from A to B, A to Z, so alphabetically. If we wanted to do it the other way, we have to declare saying you have to go from Z to A or a specific number or something like this. But when you just use it like this, it's just sorting like you think it would be sorting. Now, if I just refresh, run everything, it's not going to do anything because it's still just printing out the name of attendant names here. We actually need to do a change in our HTML to make sure it prints out the sorted version of our names. So again, the function sort name grabs the array up here, sorts them, and then returns them. So we are going to use this sort name method here, the name of the function, to actually have the name sorted. So where we have a loop here is before we are sorting for each item or each name, there is the array, we're going to print them out. So instead of just printing them out in whatever order we have, we're going to change this to sort name, like we just had in our, we just created in our computed. And let's try that, save, and let's see if it does anything. So I'm going to start with save, and I have an error, so let's check that out. Right, that's sort names is not defined. Sort name is not, why is it not defined? Well, basically it's because it calls sort names. So let's add the S here, save, and woo, no errors. So let's try again, S, and we add something with A, and that should be in front. Woo, right? So now it's sorting the names and printing out the value of the progress. We haven't deleted that. But now we're also sorting names through our array by using the computed in Vue here to grab information and return them in a sorted way instead. Right, see you in the next video.